You really can make something better than that.
I hope, or I'll be out of the job. So. Hi, my name is Chef Howard. I'm the executive chef at C'est La Vie, and this is Acquired Taste. All right. It feels really dry. It's great. My taste turkey, very dry bread. Out of a 10, like a Sharjah 3. Yeah, what the hell is this? So right now, I will make my version of a grinder sandwich. So first we'll make the salad. So the salad will have the lettuce, iceberg lettuce. It's actually very traditional to use this salad for the grinder. It has a high water content, so it's gonna be great. And then we're gonna do a little bit of coriander. This is actually perilla leaf. I would like to call it the Asian mint. But you can also substitute, perilla leaf is actually a sesame leaf, but you can also use shiso as well. Little Thai basil. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some red onion. Red onion actually just tastes better in a sandwich for me. The traditional grinder sandwich has regular mayo, but I'm gonna use Kewpie mayo, the Japanese one. It's a little bit sweeter and has a umami flavor to it. So you can put this on anything. It's actually very delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit of rice wine vinegar and mirin. Mirin for a little bit of sweetness. Maybe about 3 tablespoons each. A little bit of salt. Black pepper, mix that around. Then we're gonna move on. I have the toasted bread here, and then now we're gonna braise a short rib. To braise short ribs, all you have to do is actually buy this from your local Asian supermarket. Here in Dubai, I got it from 1004, and you just add water to it and make it taste good. And after that, you put it in the oven, nice and slow, until it's very braisy, and it's always better the next day as well. So I'm gonna add some more of this. We're just gonna boil this. Bring it up to heat in a medium heat. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get it a nice lacquer so you can take on all the flavors. And I'll tilt the pan, just glaze it on top. Add a little bit of water so that the sauce will emulsify with a little bit of water so it's not over reducing. And at the same time, it is heating up the short rib back to temperature so that it can be nice and braisy when you eat it with a sandwich. It smells like my mom's kitchen. So as this is going, I'm gonna put on low heat. This is thinly sliced ribeye. What we'll do is I'll add an onion, white onion. I'll add a bell pepper. I chop them thin so that when they cook with the thinly sliced meat, they can all cook uniformly. So after that, I will add a little bit of jalapeno because I like a little spice. One thing to consider if you're really sensitive to spice is take the seeds out and make sure you wash your hands before you use the bathroom. And what I'll do is I'll add the bulgogi sauce, and a little goes a long way. So mix it all up. This meat is actually raw. So the best thing for this, I would say, is to make it a day before. I have some marinade that I marinated 2 days ago, which will look like this. So now I'm gonna heat up my pan, get a little bit of oil in there. The heat is on high, you can go on medium. I just lowered it down to medium heat. But it will tend to, you have to move it around a lot because of the sugar levels, it will tend to burn. So you have to pay close attention to it. But it will cook very quickly. As you can see, it's already almost done cooking. And as that's going, I will add my provolone cheese right on top of that. So now it's the fun part. We get to put the sandwich together. Getting this short rib on there. We're gonna get our bulgogi with the provolone cheese melted on top. A little bit of the banana peppers on here. Some salami. And then the grinder salad. I think the salad itself is just amazing. It's very juicy. The whole base of it is mayonnaise. Anything with mayonnaise is just absolutely delicious. So after that, we're gonna put this right on top. We're gonna pull that short rib bone out just right there. And then I'll cut it in half. There you go. My version of a Korean grinder sandwich.